Toyota Estima auto power sliding door does not close from outside. Auto power door does not work. The problem with this car is that the auto power sliding doors do not work when closed from the outside. How to fix problem and solved? Watch the full video. See auto power sliding door not working when closing from outside. Auto power sliding door cannot be closed from outside. Auto power sliding doors works when closed from inside the vehicle. Auto power sliding no problem when door opens from outside. Does not work when closing from outside. Turn off the auto power switch and open the door cover. Remove the door cover, open to scroll. Open first this door handle cover, after open the door cover. This cable is used for external and internal closure. Check all cables thoroughly for any cable problems. Repair or replace auto power door if there is any cable problem. See, this cable is bent so it doesn't work at all. This is the cable to close and open from inside and outside. Make sure the cable doesn't go all the way in. I will straighten the cable so that there is no problems with the cable going in and outside. Make it straight like this. And if the cable is damaged, then replace the cable. After fixing the cable, apply some grease so that there is no problem in the cable movement. Now I will install the cable completely as before. Now I will check whether the auto power sliding door can be closed from outside. I turned on the auto power sliding door switch. I have no problem closing the form inside the automatic power sliding door. No problem when opening automatic power sliding door from outside. Now I will check whether the auto power sliding door can be closed from outside.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.